So they have really thought of everything with this food blender. I'm really happy with it. We've been using this now maybe for a week. I wanted to test it a few times with different foods before I'd done this video. But what I liked about it was ease of use, right? So apart from the sticky things at the bottom, by the way, they're good for keeping it in place, but I always forget they're there. Anyway, it's really simple. You've got a dial for your speed, and then you've got a button for your pulse. That's all you need. That's as simple as that. The other good thing about this is you just twist, that takes off this bit, so it makes it super easy to clean. You can see the blades at the bottom here. And the other cool thing you get with it is this, it's like a grinder. I've not used it yet, but it's for your food prep. So if you want to do something like, I don't know, nuts and grind them down, all you do, again, is just put them on here and turn it on there. Super simple. And then again, just use the speed and the pulse here. Works really well. It is a bit noisy like every other food blender, so I've got no issue with that, or food processor I suppose I should call it when it's this on it. But I'm really happy with it. For the price, it's fantastic. It does the job, and I've not had lots of bits in it. It cuts it up really well, if that makes sense. So I definitely recommend.